We are so glad that you are here to celebrate the ribbon cutting for the HAVI Center for Analytics and Technology. HAVI is a perfect partner for our students and faculty who are studying data analytics, supply chain management, and information technology management. This state-of-the-art lab is the result of the work and generosity of many people, including NIU alumni, donors, and friends.
It is a great time to be a Husky. A really exciting time across our university because we're being recognized with gifts like this one and because we're being recognized for the impact that we're having. And the College of Business has led the way at NIU at doing this through engaged and experiential learning, like the learning that will take place in the new HAVI lab. The HAVI Center for Analytics and Technology is the newest space dedicated to providing cutting-edge resources and building in-demand skills. This center is destined to be a home base that provides business students and students from across the campus with resources that they need to succeed at NIU and also beyond.
What is incredibly heartwarming for me about HAVI is their commitment to this partnership with NIU. Yes, it's a partnership that we are experiencing here today with a $1 million commitment to this center, but it's more so demonstrated in their connection to our faculty and our students and our community. Driving the commitment to make this happen was knowing that today's students need to fundamentally understand how analytics are a continual thread through all of our lives. And through the HAVI Global Solutions Scholarship in OMIS, they are helping NIU match talent with opportunity and students with a passion to learn.
We're really excited about this partnership. We like to accept big challenges and we like to solve difficult problems. And to do that, we need talent. What we wanted to do was partner with a college that recruits students from working class and middle class families. So we really value the working class, middle class student and the high education and academic values of Northern Illinois University.
3, 2, 1, cut.